Fine. So here question number 4a, I need to solve. It says what? It says 2x square plus 3y square into 5x square plus 3y square. How I will going to solve? First I will going to multiply this with this. 2 5s are 10. X square into x square is x to the power of 4. Then I will going to multiply this 2x square with this. So what I will get? 2 into 3 is 6. X square into y square is x square y square. Then I will going to multiply 3y square with 5x square. I will get 3 5 are 15. Y square into x square is x square y square. Okay, and then I will going to again multiply 3y square with 3y square. 3 3s are 9. Y square into y square is y to the power of 4. Here I have these two like terms, so I will going to add them. So my answer will be 10x to the power of 4 plus 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 x square y square plus 9 y to the power of 4. This is the answer, right? It was easy, correct? Okay, so question number 5b, it says a plus a by 4 plus 4 multiply by a by 2 minus 8. I will go to multiply this with this. So a into a is a square. 4 into 2 is 8. Then I will going to multiply this with this. So here plus into minus is minus. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And this a will be as it is. Now I will going to multiply this with this. Okay, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4. So I will get answer as 2 and this a will come. Okay, next I will going to multiply this with this. Plus into minus is minus. What is 8 4 ja? 8 4 ja is 32, correct? 32. So here you can see that plus 2a and minus 2a get cancelled, and I will get answer as a square by 8 minus 32. So this is the answer. Got it? Okay, so here what it says evaluate the following using the identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So C1 we will going to solve. Here it says 100.8 into 99.8. So when you see carefully what you will observe, you will observe that 100.8 can be written as 100 plus 0.8. Similarly, here I can do 100 minus 0.8. So this is of the form a plus b, correct, into a minus b. So I can write this as 100 square, okay, minus 0.8 the whole square. So what is 100 square? 100 square will be 1010, like that, correct? And then what is this 0.8? 0.8 into 0.8 means 8 8 just 64. So it will be 0.64. So when you calculate this, you will get answer 9999.36. This will be your answer. Okay, that is C1. And in case of D, what you will do? 19.6 into 20.4. You can observe this easily. What? That 20.4 can be written as 20 plus 0.4, whereas this 19.6 can be written as 20 minus 0.4. Here again you can apply the same formula. What is that? A minus b into a plus b. What will be that? A minus b into a plus b will be what? Will be a square minus b square, right? As per the identity given in the question. So it is 20 square minus 0.4 the whole square. 2 2 are 4 and then 1 2 0 will come. Now 0.4 the whole square, 4 4 are 16. Decimal point after for only one digit. So here square. So decimal point will come over here. So answer will be what? 400 minus 0.16 is what? It will be 4 and then 8 9 10. Here 8, then 0.9 and then 9. This is the answer. Hope you are clear now, right?